Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add Threads badge to Instagram. First of all, open the App Store. Here search Thread. Click to open its app. You can see Thread is an Instagram app. Then click to open the Thread app. Tap to log in with your Instagram. Click on your profile icon as well. Here you can see the Instagram badge means Instagram username is written. It represents your Instagram. Your followers can click on it to see your Instagram account. Then open the Instagram app. Go into its profile. Here you can see the username is the same as the badge on the thread. Also, your Thread badge is written underneath the name of your account in Instagram. You can click on it to see your temporary badge, by which your followers know that you're on Thread so they can follow you there as well. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.